passionate. I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch your.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. So let's get into the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the color Midnight Green. This is a 512GB version, and I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. This is by no means a tech channel, so you know, if you're looking for all the specifics, this is not it. But you guys enjoyed so much when I did the unboxing before, so I decided to do it again when I upgraded. So my sole reason for upgrading was basically because I needed more storage on my phone. And yeah, the newer phone was coming out a month later after I decided to that I wanted to buy a new phone. So I went ahead and got the newer phone instead of getting the XS Max and the bigger storage option. So yeah, that's my only reason. I don't think so far I feel like with the 11 Pro that it's mostly about the camera this time. That was a major selling point in the A13 Bionic chip. Other than that, I don't think it was really much of a upgrade, if you would say that. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Actually, I'm doing another unboxing. I did one of these before and surprisingly a lot of you guys liked it, so I decided I would come to you and do the unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I got the color Midnight Green, so hopefully you guys can see. I thoroughly enjoyed this phone here. This is the XS Max and it was a really decent phone. The only thing is I ran out of storage, so yeah, that was a dub for me. But other than that, I really enjoyed it. I like only one home screen and then having this option over here. I had no issues with this besides storage became not too much. I just ran out of it, to be honest. So originally I was going to get this phone, the XS Max, and the 512 gigs, I believe. I know last time I did this video people was picking on me because I got the gig number wrong, but y'all knew what I was talking about. So this was what, is it 256 or 264? One of those. Yeah, I ran out of storage. Again, I do YouTube videos. I'm a content creator and stuff like that. I was doing my vlogs on here, so it became just it lacked storage. So I was going to get this phone in the highest storage, but I decided not to do that because I found out they were coming out with a new phone this year. So this phone did me well, but you know, I'm going to say bye to it and we're going to unbox this one here. I got a case here which I'll show you, but let's just put the spotlight on this phone here. Take that first layer off. It looks really, really nice. In between, I'm going to be stopping, taking pictures for a thumbnail, but other than that, we're just getting right to it. I love the new black box. I don't know, I never got anything from Apple in a black box, so I really like that. Real smooth here. Look at this. Look at this. So this is the phone. You clearly see the third lens that we now have. If we want to compare and contrast, here we go from the other phone and that camera. Yeah, that was a big selling point for Apple. I don't think there's too much upgrades to it besides the camera and the A13 Bionic chip. So just going to take this out. It's about the same size as my other phone. It's really not much bigger. I did read the specs and they were really close as far as the dimensions. So yeah, this is the phone before I take the plastic off. Really nice color. They call it a mermaid green. They call it like a midnight green, a teal. When I picked it up today, the lady called it mermaid green, but the official name for it is actually midnight green. So woo, did y'all see that? This is why you gotta do cases, okay? But yeah, this is just a phone, and I decided to get this color because I didn't want gold again. I didn't want silver, and silver was a second choice. And space gray, I didn't want that. I wanted the new midnight green, something different. So let's go ahead and take it off. Take off the plastic. Really? Oh man, it would stick to that. This is so nice, and it's like not picking up fingerprints. Perfect. This is really nice. This is the outside of it. I mean, you guys can probably see it, but I know y'all like y'all close-ups and stuff like that. But yeah, this is just the phone. So I'm going to power it on. Let's see if it comes on. Okay. While that's doing that, we can look over here. So of course you have your info packet, and I think the stickers are white from, yeah, they're still white. I know people have been asking for other colors, but you know, Apple's stubborn sometimes. Like, we're just now getting the freaking, what is this, the USB-C? Oh, I got more headphones. I'm excited. I don't know why, because I rarely remember to take them with me, but whatever. But yeah, we're just now getting the USB-C. So, you know, of course, I don't know all the specs and stuff, but I know for a fact that this is a new and supposedly better charger, and it's a quicker charger, along with, it's supposed to give, not this in general, but our phone is actually supposed to have 5 more hours, I believe, of, you know, battery life. That's what I was thinking of. So yeah, now we finally have this after asking for it for years. Not me personally, but you know, the people, the tech people, been asking for this. Okay, some people really want AirPods to come with the phones. The price point, I believe it was like $1,500, around there, $14.99. I'll leave the exact price on the screen, but let's go ahead and just, you know, start looking at the phone a little bit. Put this over here. Got the charger, earphones. So of course you get the hello, and I will choose English, but of course I'm going to Quickstart. If you have an iPhone, bring it nearby. So let's just go ahead and do that. So you would just, you know, connect it that way. I just got this phone, well, not this one, I just got this phone maybe, well, like when they first dropped. So, you know, I did get a newer one really quickly, but I would say, if you honestly, I was really getting this for the storage. So if you're not really interested, like, I feel like this phone, this 11 Pro Max, is really not enough for me to upgrade from an XS Max if I didn't want a new phone already. If I wasn't already planning to purchase a new phone, this probably wouldn't have caught my attention. Like, yeah, you get slow fees and you get all of that, but I feel like, and you get the A13 Bionic chip, but I just feel like it's really, it wasn't much for it to be the iPhone 11 with the Pro on it. Okay, so yeah, I feel like they could have did a little bit more, but it's like, once you get a great phone, what more could you do? So right now I'm just going to set up the Face ID. Second face scan. It's going to take a while to transfer, so I won't let you guys be bored through all of that. I'll just come back when it's done with all of that. In the meantime, I'll just play with the earphones, take them out. So something that popped up is actually the new, now you have a dark mode, and I want to make sure we're focused over here. So yeah, we have a new dark mode, and of course I love all my apps, my YouTube, my Twitter, and everything is in dark mode. So I would definitely, like, you see that? It's pretty dope. I love dark mode, so definitely gonna do that. Now we could unbox this phone case that I actually found on Amazon for maybe 15 bucks. And originally I didn't want it because it had a black frame on it, and I wanted just all clear everything. But I thought it was fine because, of course, look how different it looks, the light mode and the dark mode. But you can see these phones are very, very similar. Other than that, like, it's really not much of an upgrade. So the only time, like they said, the only time I would tell you to get an upgrade or recommend it, if, you know, you still have a home button, then sure, get the newest iPhone 11 Pro Max. Other than that, I don't think it's really an urge to get it. So while I'm opening this, I had a reservation to pick up my phone. I pre-ordered it last Friday. I picked it up. Pre-order is never really at the specified time. Like, they say 8 o'clock, but it's really not going to be till like 8:10, 8:15. So I did pre-order it on Friday, 8 p.m. not 8 p.m., 8 a.m. Eastern time, around like 8:15. So this is the case that I got here. I was hoping that this would be kind of clear so you can see the really pretty green finish, shiny finish on the edge, but at least we can still see the matte. This is really nice, and I love that it doesn't hold fingerprints. But I would, of course, recommend you getting a freaking case and actually still getting Apple Care. So the difference between this, it has a built-in screen protector, so I thought that was really interesting. I don't know, and it says make sure you don't have a screen protector already on there before you put this case on. So I'm gonna you know, see how I'm gonna apply this. I'm over here looking crazy because I don't know how to work it. But yeah, it was I had a reservation for 11:30 to pick it up today, and I actually didn't get in there until it was a line wrapped around the building until about 12:15, and yeah, so I didn't get in there to 12:15, and I didn't leave to 12:30. It took a little bit longer than ever before, but yeah, that might have been wrong, so I'm just going to take it out and put it in this one, and then put this one on top. Okay, so then I like the case. It's not bad. It's just really like, I don't know, it's not really feminine how I like. But basically I'm going to take this off if I can get it. So you see, has a nice view of the back, and you can definitely see the camera really nicely. The camera is not covered by anything, but the rest of the phone is. Clearly that's how cases work. In the front, I'm going to take this off. I'm glad that I don't need a screen protector necessarily. That's pretty cool. So yeah, as you can see, I don't know, I'm trying to see if it darkened the phone. I can't really see anything right now because it's transferring stuff. So this is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I can't wait to turn it on and kind of get to play around with it. But right now I'm just going to let it go ahead and transfer the data. It's looking really nice. It feels really nice in the hand. It is kind of big, you know. My hands aren't like super, they're fat, but they're not huge, okay? So I always, not always, but I also had an issue sometimes if I was like just chilling on my phone, like trying to reach there, like you had to do a little, you know, wobble it down and do some type of gearing and stuff, you know, had to do some hand tricks to bring it down. Or sometimes I forgot that you can just swipe down on the home bar and bring the screen halfway down. But you know, that's pretty much it. I like bigger phones, so it's fine with me. But yeah, that's these. And I would have been really mad if I would have got the XS Max and 512 gigs and then a newer one would have came out, because if you're gonna, you might as well be up to date on the latest technology if you planned on making a large purchase like this. And as I think they have the 64 gigs, of course, if I'm not mistaken. It's either 256, I believe. I feel like it's 256 gigs, and then the 512. So basically this is my phone. It has my wallpaper and everything. I'm not really feeling a case. It makes swiping feel weird. It feels like, I don't know, it feels really, it's just not smooth like this. Like I have a screen protector on here and it's pretty smooth. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep this case on here. I'm not really feeling it. Maybe I'll get used to it. So okay, all my notifications are coming because they were, you know, doing its thing for so long. So it doesn't have a SIM. I'm about to put this SIM in here, which I should have freaking done before I put this case on, but I really don't even want to keep this case on. So yeah, it's pretty much the same, you know. I don't have any, my apps are still waiting. I still have to sync my watch. It's just a few things that I have to do here. It looks a bit dark, but I do have it on dark mode. You can also, I believe, put the dark mode icon down here. It has everything exactly how I have it on my phone. Well, not this part anyways. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't have everything like my alarm system and all of that, but as far as my folders, everything is cool. They do have an app that I wanted to get. Okay, dog, really? While I'm recording? So I think this is gonna be pretty dope. I'm trying to, everything is like waiting because it has to connect to the app store, so I have to get that done. So far I do like the way it feels and all of that. I'm gonna go over to settings. Gonna turn this phone off and put the SIM card in. That they have are pretty nice. I like a dark background. So I'm probably just going to keep mine black, or that black and white one is really nice. Probably do that. They have some, oh, these are dope, but these are live, and they say live wallpapers kind of kill your battery more, so I'm not sure about those, but they look really nice, and then the dynamics are pretty much the same. So that's pretty much that. Again, this is not a tech channel, so you know, if you're expecting super tech type of videos, this is not that. I just wanted to do an unboxing because you guys really enjoyed when I did the other one. I have to customize my settings because I don't like the automatic go off into the camera. But capture outside the frame, new shutter button, tap and hold to record a quick video. Okay, let's see. Tap and hold. Boom. Okay, pretty dope. So now we got a video. Let's see that right quick. Of course it goes to a freaking, that's new. That's really new. I don't know if you guys can see because my camera isn't really picking it up how I want it to. The camera, that's really the major differences from this and the XS Max. So if you already have the XS Max, I'm not going to say it's an automatic that you have to upgrade to this because I don't feel like Apple really sold me on that. But like I said, I was already getting another phone, so I went with the newest one. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I really do. I like the case from the way it looks at the back, and I've fallen in love with the black now, but I'm not in love with how it feels. It feels too sticky here, and I'm hoping that over time it kind of gets better. If not, I'm just going to change out the case and put a regular screen protector on. But yeah, this does protect the screen as well, and it's built in, so that's a cool feature. So like I said, let me go ahead and switch out my SIM cards, and I will be done with this. So really quick, I do love the updates that they did with the camera. You guys are not gonna be able to see, I think it's the screen that's actually built into this case. It's really not pulling up, but I really do like the camera updates. And like I said, you guys are not gonna be able to see, but it does have like more features. You can also edit videos that you take on your phone right in the phone, so I do appreciate that. But what's very important for creators, if you're taking thumbnail selfies or whatever, just thumbnails, you have an option down here to change the ratio from 16:9 to 4:3, of course, to square. And honestly, if we had that on the other phone, I didn't use it and I didn't see it, but this is my first time seeing that because I realized when I was going to take thumbnails, like, you know, selfies, it just wasn't it, you know. So I'm gonna try to take a slowfie, and I'm going to, and this camera is nice. Hold up. So yeah, that's nice. I feel like it's a little bit bright because of my studio lights, but woo child. So I'm gonna, let's see, it does have a menu button now, timer and all that is still the same, but I'm gonna try a slow-mo. Let's see. That was ugly. But I want to watch it back. Oh wow. Okay, that's it guys. If you want to update on this phone and how I feel about it, let me know down below. If you want me to do overall how I felt about the XS Max, let me know. Like I said, it was a great phone, and like I wouldn't have upgraded if I didn't want more storage. So that's pretty much it. This slowfie is a little bit like fuzzy. It's a little bit fuzzy. I don't know, it could be me. I don't know. So again, thank you guys so much for joining. It is so hot in here, so you probably see me glistening. All right, bye.